Welcome to the Leaf Hydroponic Farms. Today we are planting musk melon, the Bobby variety of the musk melon on 24th February 2021. So nursery we planted in 99 hole tray. One hole had one seed and seed germinated. About a month old seedlings are there. These seedlings have been picked up from the tray and they come out like this. If you look at this, this is the kind of seedling which comes out of the tray, and then we have filled these 12-inch grow bags with buffered coco peat. Buffering of coco peat exactly means that we use coco peat, wash it properly with the RO water, and then after washing it we buffer it with calcium nitrate solution, 1 gram per liter, or you can say 800 grams in 1000 liters. You will keep on adding this nitrate solution till it leaches out on the other side, so that the entire nutrients which are attached to the coco peat, they are released for the plants. Then we plant one plant. Now if you see, it's very simple. We plant one plant into, make a small hole inside and then put the plant inside. So it is our skilled manpower, Mr. Gurmail Singh, who is doing it properly, because he has been taught, he has been trained how to plant the seedlings of any variety, any crop, be it muskmelon, be it cherry tomato, in a grow bag containing the coco peat. Now here in our poly house we are using the hockey part of the poly house, and we have already planted these seedlings today, and I am very sure that they will flower and produce the musk melons within another 45 to 60 days. And once the musk melons are ready, then we will ensure that number of musk melon per plant will have to be reduced. In this case, maybe 3 or maximum is 4. We have the bees inside the poly house which will do the pollination, but at the same time, if the pollination is not effective with the bees, then all these musk melons are to be hand pollinated. Hand pollinated is simple. We will put a video on that also, that you pick up a male plant and then rub that male plant, or just buffer that male plant over the stigma of the female plant. And once 3 fruits or 4 fruits are set in on every plant, then what we will do is we will decapitate the plant. Of course, we will show you these videos also. So this is, today we have planted the musk melons, 300 plants in the hockey part for effective utilization of space in the poly house. In the hockey part, 300 plants of musk melon, Bobby variety. 2 other varieties we are planting, and put up a separate video on that. Thank you very much. This is day 1 crop of musk melon Bobby variety, which we have planted in grow bags filled with a mixture of coco peat and perlite in the ratio of 20:80. Coco peat was properly washed and with RO water, and then buffered with calcium nitrate. When the buffering was done in the grow bags itself, and then this nursery was planted. We will monitor the progress of the plants day by day, maintain a definite record of all the nutrients supplied, so that the knowledge gained over a period of time is captured. I will suggest all the polyhouse owners, all the hydroponic farmers, to keep a definite record of their treatment to their crop, so that that knowledge is captured with them and they can use that knowledge in future to maintain their crops.